Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I'm your name, and today we're diving into an exciting topic, online courses. How to monetize your knowledge. Have you ever thought about sharing what you know and making some money from it? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll break down how to turn your skills and expertise into a profitable online course. So, grab a notepad and let's get started. First things first, let's talk about why you should create an online course. Here are a few reasons. 1. Share your knowledge. You have skills and knowledge that others want to learn. Creating a course is a fantastic way to share what you know. 2. Passive income. Once your course is created, it can earn money for you while you sleep. You put in the work up front, and then you can earn money over time. 3. Flexibility. You can create and sell your course on your own schedule. This means you can work at your own pace and manage your time effectively. 4. Help others. You will be helping people achieve their goals, whether it's learning a new skill or improving their lives. So, those are just a few reasons to consider creating an online course. Now, let's move on to how you can actually do this. The first step in creating your online course is to identify your niche. What are you passionate about? What skills do you have that others want to learn? Here are some questions to help you find your niche. What topics do you enjoy talking about? What skills do you have that you excel in? What problems can you solve for others? Let's say you're great at cooking. You could create a cooking course for beginners. Or, if you're an expert in digital marketing, you could teach others how to grow their online businesses. Remember, the more specific your niche, the better. Instead of just cooking, you might focus on easy vegan meals for busy people. This helps you target a specific audience. Once you've identified your niche, the next step is to research your audience. You need to understand who they are and what they want to learn. Here's how you can do that. 1. Surveys and polls. Use tools like Google Forms or social media polls to ask potential learners what they want to know. 2. Online forums. Visit forums related to your niche, like Reddit or Quora. See what questions people are asking. 3. Competitor analysis. Look at existing courses in your niche. Check out the reviews to see what learners liked and what they felt was missing. By understanding your audience's needs, you can create a course that truly meets their expectations. Now it's time to create your course content. This is where the magic happens. Here's a step-by-step guide. 1. Outline your course. Start by outlining the main topics you want to cover. Break them down into lessons or modules. 2. Example. If your course is about easy vegan meals, your outline could include topics like meal prep, quick recipes, and shopping tips. 3. Create high-quality content. Invest time in creating engaging and informative content. Use clear language, visuals, and examples. If you're using videos, ensure good lighting and sound quality. 4. Record and edit. If you're making videos, record them using a good camera or even your smartphone. Use editing software to polish your videos. 5. Supplemental materials. Consider creating additional resources like PDFs, worksheets, or quizzes to enhance the learning experience. Next up, you need to choose a platform to host your course. There are many options out there, and it's essential to pick the right one for you. Here are a few popular platforms. 1. Teachable. User-friendly and great for beginners. You can create and sell courses easily. 2. Udemy. A large marketplace for courses. You can reach a vast audience, but keep in mind they take a percentage of your earnings. 3. Thinkific. Similar to Teachable, but offers more customization options. 4. Kajabi. A comprehensive platform that allows you to create, market, and sell your courses, but it's pricier. 5. Self-hosted. If you want full control, you can create your website using WordPress and plugins like LearnDash. Each platform has its pros and cons, so choose one that fits your needs and budget. Now, let's talk about pricing your course. This can be tricky, but here are some tips. 1. Research competitors. Look at similar courses and see what they charge. This will give you a good idea of what people are willing to pay. 2. Consider your value. Think about the value you're providing. If your course helps someone achieve a significant goal, you can charge more. 3. Pricing strategies. You can use different pricing strategies like one-time payments, subscriptions, or even tiered pricing for different levels of access. 4. Test and adjust. Don't be afraid to experiment with your pricing. You can always adjust it based on feedback and sales. Remember, the right price reflects the value of the knowledge you're sharing. Once your course is ready, it's time to market it. Here are some effective strategies to promote your course. 1. Social media. Use platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter to share sneak peeks of your course and engage with your audience. 2. Email marketing. Build an email list and send out newsletters with valuable content. Let your subscribers know about your course launch. 3. Webinars. Host free webinars related to your course launch. This helps establish your authority and encourages attendees to enroll. 4. Content marketing. Start a blog or YouTube channel to share valuable content. This will attract potential students to your course. 5. Collaborations. Partner with influencers or other content creators in your niche to reach a wider audience. 6. Paid ads. If you have the budget, consider running ads on social media or Google to promote your course. Marketing takes time and effort, but it's crucial to get your course in front of the right audience. Now that you've done all the hard work, it's time to launch your course. Here are some tips for a successful launch. 1. Build anticipation. Create buzz around your course before the launch. Share teasers and countdowns on social media. 2. Launch day. Consider offering a special launch discount to encourage people to sign up. 3. Engage with your audience. Be available to answer questions and engage with potential students. This builds trust and excitement. 4. Gather feedback. After your launch, ask for feedback from your first students. Use their insights to improve your course. Once your course is live, remember that continuous improvement is essential. Here's what you can do. 1. Update content. Keep your course content fresh and relevant. Update it based on new trends or feedback. 2. Add new materials. Consider adding bonus materials, like additional lessons or resources, to keep students engaged. 3. Engage with students. Create a community around your course. Use forums or social media groups where students can connect. 4. Collect reviews. Encourage students to leave reviews. Positive testimonials can help attract more students. And that's a wrap on today's video. We covered a lot about how to monetize your knowledge through online courses. From identifying your niche to marketing and continuous improvement, you now have the tools to get started. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on turning your passions into profits. And don't forget to leave a comment below. I'd love to hear what course you're thinking about creating. Until next time, keep learning and sharing your knowledge.